little bit of review on the FabSpace large size moving bags. These are heavy duty moving bags designed to carry all your heavy items in them, to be easily packable, and to fold down and collapse for later use if you need them. We're actually moving my daughter to college, which is not fun, and we have picked these up and have absolutely loved them. Let me show you packing one of these and just how much you can actually squeeze into one of them. I was able to fit 3 bed pillows and a quilt into this, and I still have room in here to spare to pack other things. There's a lot to love about these bags. Number one, really high grade plastic that they're made out of. It's really strong, very durable. Can obviously keep your soft items, but can keep your hard items in there as well without fear that it's going to puncture or break them. The handles on them are great handles. They are sewn on here very well. Oh, the plastic itself also means it's water resistant, which is great for if you're moving. The zipper, very good, very strong, very easy to use zipper. And again, they collapse down when not in use so that you can store them for later. They stack super well. We absolutely love these. If you're moving, if you got a kid going to college and packing up, this is the way to go. 5 out of 5 stars.